Hi, this is Beverly Mahone, your communications coach, with an All Words Matter word of the day. Today's words: take and bring. Now, both of these words describe transporting something or someone from one place to another. For example, you wouldn't say, I'm going to bring 3 suitcases with me when I go on vacation. I'm going to take them because I'm taking them away with me. Likewise, you wouldn't say, I'm going to bring potato salad to the cookout because once again, you are taking something away. So just remember that bring means moving something towards you. Take means something moving away from you. That's why they call it take out food. You go to pick it up and take it out. And another example is something I always say to my grandson when he comes over to the house. Honey, would you go check the mail and bring it to Grandma? And then go take your behind upstairs and do your homework. This has been your communications coach, Beverly Mahone, with another All Words Matter word of the day.